Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. This is your update on Wednesday evening. Now, low pressure never too far away through the next 24 hours, hence the reason why it's windy tonight and into tomorrow across particularly the north as well as the west, with some coastal gales. A real squeeze on the isobars here, and that extends towards Shetland into the latter part of Thursday. Now, Thursday into Friday, a weather front will bring some showery bursts of rain, and wet weather never too far away, but there will be some warmth in the air over the next 48 hours or so. However, through the latter part of the weekend, the air turns colder from the north. For the time being, see this more persistent rain clearing Orkney and arriving across Shetland. Showery bursts always across the northwest Highlands, extending up towards the far north of Scotland, and watch out for those coastal gales with high waves. Elsewhere, dry conditions, a bit of a blustery breeze mixing the air up, so not particularly cold, but certainly in shelter across the Cairngorms. Temperatures could dip down to single figures. So it's a windy start to the day across western, northwestern areas of Scotland, with that driving wind and also those showers. However, further south and east, the clouds will break at times, allowing for some sunny skies to come through. And in shelter, it's going to feel fairly pleasant. So through the morning into the afternoon, you can see where this rain is. Again, it's really the northwest Highlands as well as Shetland. There will be brighter weather coming through throughout the afternoon, away from the south, where we return to more cloudy conditions with some outbreaks of rain. Before that, though, temperatures arriving 18 or 19 degrees Celsius across central, southern and eastern areas, 15 or 16 further north and west, and look at that driving wind across the far north there. So through Thursday evening, you see this warm front moving northwards. It will have more cloud associated with it, and certainly on the triple point here where it meets the occlusion and the cold front, some outbreaks of rain. Outbreaks of rain also down towards the southeast on Friday, but Friday will be a warmer day as the cloud breaks and we see some brighter weather coming through. Most of that showery rain clears towards the North Sea through the afternoon. On Friday evening, showers continue across the far north, again associated with a weather front, and you can see that rain just coming and going pulsing towards southern counties into the early hours of Saturday morning. In between, there'll be some fine weather, some sunshine, and again temperatures probably the mid-teens, so slightly lower than what we have seen, and that really marks a difference in our weather, how it's going to feel through into Sunday, with a northerly wind and a few showery bursts towards the east there, never really amounting to very much. Temperatures 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. In shelter towards the west, we could see a 13 with a little bit of brighter weather coming through. See you later.